This tutorial will cover how to use the library search box on the library's homepage. The library search box is a good place to start. You can search for everything such as books, articles, ebooks, journal articles, and videos. When you are doing research, it is good to have a variety of sources. So let's start by searching the term leadership. And then let's click the search button. Now you will see the results. In this case, we've received 2,050 and 94 results for the term leadership. You can see right away that one of the books from the results is a print book because it has a call number. You can also see that it's available, it's not checked out, and it's in the general collection, and you know where to find it because of the call number. If you want to cite this book or get a link to send to yourself or a professor, email it or save it, you can use these tools here. Now let's scroll down the page. On the left side of the screen is the navigation bar where you can refine your search. You can refine it by library. It defaults to searching only the JWU collection at Denver. However, you can also expand the search to Colorado libraries worldwide if we do not own a particular book. Now let's scroll down a bit more. On the left navigation bar, you can also refine your search by choosing what format, such as an article, type of article, book, type of book. You can also search by the full text items or open access, which is free material that anyone has access to on the internet. Now let's look at another item from the results. This is a journal article. You can access this journal by clicking on Access Journal button. Let's scroll down one more time. On the left navigation bar, you can continue to refine your search, now by years. It gives you a choice, but you can also put in the years you want the databases to search for. Below that, you can choose a specific author or creator, or you can choose a specific subject. And there are many more choices to choose from in that left navigation bar. Now, if you look in the middle, you will see that there is an ebook on leadership, and below that, there is also a video on leadership. Let's click on the View eBook button. You can see that you have several options on how you want to read this ebook. You can read it online, or you could download, or you can download the book or download a PDF chapter at a time. It also tells you how many pages you can print. Near the bottom of the screen, you will see the table of contents, which you can click on and go to that particular chapter. This concludes the tutorial on how to use the library search tool on the library's homepage or other pages. If you have any questions, check out the right side of the library's homepage to find the many ways to get your questions answered. We are here for you.